Welcome to part 2 of the Lite Kitchen weight loss series. Hello my healthy foodies. If you've been trying to lose weight but still crave something truly delicious in the morning, I've got you covered. Today I'm sharing not one but 2 high protein breakfasts under 300 calories, perfect for weight loss, belly fat loss, and so easy with oats. Let's start with my favorite, the Dragon Fruit Chia Oats Cup. First, we make the pink layer. Slice open a ripe dragon fruit, cut it into chunks, then blend until smooth and vibrant and pop it in fridge to chill. Next, the creamy white layer. In a bowl, soak 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds in half a cup of low-fat milk. Give it a good stir. Then add half a cup of rolled oats in half a cup of milk. A couple of tablespoons of Greek yogurt for that extra creaminess. A teaspoon of honey. Mix well and let it rest until it's thick. Now for the fun part, assembling. Spoon the oats pudding at the bottom, add the chia layer in the middle and crown it with that gorgeous dragon fruit puree. A sprinkle of pistachios on top and your beautiful nourishing breakfast is ready. Now we're making a breakfast that's as beautiful as it's healthy. Rose and pistachio chia oats cup. For the base, soak 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds in half a cup of low-fat milk. Give it a good stir. Add half a cup of rolled oats and half a cup of milk. Then fold in a couple of tablespoons of Greek yogurt and 2 teaspoons of rose syrup for a creamy, fragrant flavor. Let it rest. Once it's thick, it's time to assemble. A layer of oats at the bottom, the soft chia layer resting on top, then a scattering of crushed pistachios and petals. This is my rose and pistachio delight. Just 300 calories, but feels like pure indulgence. Subscribe and give this video a like so I can keep cooking up more healthy, delicious recipes for you. See you next time.